Hello, Bernana. How are you? I'm chilling. I'm trying to bring the chat back up. But I want to make sure that I'm doing it securely, so we don't get hackers. Older. Barnana, you gotta give me your most Zoomer words that you know. You need to teach me. You need to teach me what your generation's about. Jesus Christ, you don't want to know Gen Alpha words. I didn't hear everything you said. What? Oh, you're trying to install Python. No, you gotta teach me. I want to know Gen Alpha. Teach me. Yo, it's Cameron. Cameron, Bornana's gonna teach us some Gen Alpha words. I just joined too. I want to know what's going on. I want to know Gen. Bornana is Gen Alpha, and they're gonna teach me. I don't know. It's Bornana. All right, and the goal for this chat, or the goal for the stream right now, text, we are coding. Let's make chat secure. Get KPD Rizzler Phantom Tax. Oh my god. Those are fucked. Those are cursed words. Are those even real? Oh my god. That's crazy. Wow. Your mom's a Rizzler. Wait, No, I don't think that's... Is that the correct usage? I don't think that's the correct usage, Cameron. Wait, let's get a Gen Alpha ChatGPT. You are Gen Alpha. Explain Python to me. Riz is charisma, so I think Rizzler is just a fucking pick. No, this isn't right. This isn't right. Not like this. You are a TikTok Gen Alpha kid who loves, or who uses the hip lingo. This isn't right. This is not very good. It's not giving me what I want. All right, let's try. Alright, bet. Let me break it down for you Python style. No found text here. Python's the cat of coding It's straight up clean and simple. When you're writing Python, it's like chatting with your crew. No skibby db. No complicated mumbo jumbo. It's not that good. It's still trying to be a little too like old cool lingo. I guess because I had lingo in there. I can't say lingo. Yo, wanna rizz up Python? Oh yeah, here we can help it out here. All right, maybe we do a follow-up. Let's see if that just works. See, it's too old man. It's like download Python from your official website. It's like gearing up before you hit the game. Super important. No. Alright, well. That's fucked. An AI imitating an old person imitating. Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly. Generation Beta is coming next year. dude, kids are gonna be fucking insane. The tech that like people are gonna have, like that's how I think about it. Like every generation of kids, everyone gets like new tech, because like technology kind of like upgrades your ability to like perceive life and stuff. And so like the more stuff that you have, like just like the more access to more data, the more that you can like load in your mind. And it's the when people talk about the problem with the internet and like why like attention spans are short, or like how fucked up kids are because of the internet, they're only seeing it when like people are not like when you can't build up good habits with tech. So it's like parents have been like pacifying kids with technology for too long versus like building a good relationship with them and technology so that you can know when you're spending too much time. And so I really don't see technology like I think it's just a result of like parenting. Bad parenting is like where the problem with technology is. Or I guess unprepared parents, just being unprepared with like how fast technology is like coming into people's hands. And so like if you're a kid growing up with a good relationship with technology, you should be able to like, you know, like play outside, right? If someone shows you like how fun like playing games are, like I have all the access to technology in the world, but I still want to like get out and like do fun things. And I guess just the point that I'm building to is like, as long as there's good parents like that can teach their kids to step away from technology, they're gonna have crazy tech that you can do. Like you can look up anything that you want like with the internet. And I kind of had this like I had like a lot of stuff that I could access when I was like growing up, but like not this level of content. Like holy shit, you can find like anything that you want. Like I was having some back pain and I was just like looking through these videos of like, yeah dude, give me some exercises that I can try out. Like it's pretty sick. So like if you find content like this and it's like you get into like weightlifting, like you can like learn how to weightlift or do whatever you want. It's pretty cool. And then you're like Neo downloading stuff to his mind. Oh yeah, and then AI, right? It's like now, how do you even address like the fact that kids can like use AI like this? Like that's crazy. I have no idea what the problems are gonna be. I have some guesses as to like what's gonna happen. And again, it comes down to like if you're someone who's grown up with a good relationship with this, and so like you can use ChatGPT to cheat, but if you use it to like ask questions and ask like follow-up things, then you can get like so much information. And this is all stuff that you can like add to your brain, and you just like keep thinking about stuff. And so I don't know. Who knows? Do you think we'll see more and more people rebel and avoid tech as it becomes more pervasive? That's interesting. Like, I mean, I think the easy answer is yes. But like more relative to what? Like there'll always be like counterculture people, but like I don't think it will be like a substantial number of people. Like I don't know, maybe it'd be a noticeable number. Maybe a good place to look is like what happened to societies sometime after like some really... Oh, like, that's a good ChatGPT question. What has happened to... And this is like an amazing thing. If you know how to ask the right question here... I'm gonna move my fucking face. So if you know what to search here, you can ask crazy questions like that you wouldn't be able to find online if you were searching around. It would take you a lot of research. So what has happened to civilizations after. Oh no! Oh, there was a group of experts. Is kind of interesting. So you get multiple people's perspectives. We'll do have a discussion about between yourselves about what has happened to, or what cultural, it does for yourselves if there is a relationship between major advances of technology and cultural rebellion. Provide examples from history. Rebellion. All right, let's see. Throughout history, technological advancements have frequently disrupted established societal norms and power structures, leading to cultural rebellions. Right. So there's like this insurgence of like value, because technology typically brings about value. So you have like, so for example, Silicon Valley has been able to stick it up to the guy, the man, the huge corporations. A small company, small group of people can now directly take on the head of like massive corporations that have like oppressive power structure. So you got technology that kind of, let's see what they have. Classic example is the invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century. This technology democratized information, broke the monopoly of the church and the aristocracy on knowledge, and was a significant catalyst for the Protestant Reformation and Renaissance. Interesting. Sociologist perspective. The introduction of new technologies often challenges traditional social structures and roles. The Industrial Revolution is a prime example, where the shift from agrarian societies to industrial ones led to massive urbanization, changes in labor practices, and eventually to social movements advocating for workers' rights. The Cultural Rebellion here was against the old feudal system and the harsh conditions of early industrialization. Technologist perspective. In the 20th century, the development of the internet and personal computing technology heralded a major shift in information accessibility and communication. This has led to a cultural rebellion against traditional media gatekeepers and has facilitated movements such as the Arab Spring, where social media played a key role. Oh, wow. That's interesting. So rebellions now have so much more power because you can get technology in the hands of so many people. Or yeah, because it like a phone of like super poor person could have like a phone. Tech is slowly killing religion. I mean, religion's just changing. I believe that there's always been like religions as long as humanity has existed, because these questions, these existential questions, are felt by so many people and they come up so easily that there's always been a need to explain things like the way that they are. So Greek mythology at one point was a religion, and then you get churches that come around, and there's just going to be an evolution of religion because people understand the value of coming together collectively to work on things. It's lessening the dogma. Yeah, I think that you will see the next evolution of religion will be, and like you see this like happening in Christian churches. Actually, I think they've, if you shop around for churches, like you'll find one that's like more hip and more relevant to your life. At least I only know that in Christian churches. I assume maybe that there's other people. I don't know, but I think what's going to be difficult is for religions that are strictly adhering to like a certain way of literally reading like the word of God or something like that. I think that's going to fall away because people are going to be able to call bullshit on that like pretty quickly. But the people that are more fluid in their interpretation of things are going to be able to continue to like impress the value of religion. Like there's still super churches in Texas and they're like insane, like the performance that they put on. So I don't know, I think they'll just change. Cultural anthropologist perspective. Technology doesn't just change what we do, it changes how we think. The rise of digital culture, especially among the youth, has led to a rebellion against previous generations' values and norms. The digital age has redefined privacy. Yeah. You get a change of cultural norms. Advancements in technology. Oh, literally AI. The current transition of automation AI is case in point. It's leading to significant changes in the job markets and has sparked debates and movements around the universal basic income and redefinition of work. Yeah, so you have these like huge cultural upheavals and like it's the yin and yang. It's like you have this huge advancement. What's the thing? What are the repercussions? What comes around as a result of that? And if technology is like something that brings, like ChatGPT has brought such immense power to the world, like it's challenging so many things that we've previously just kind of gone with. Like, in my opinion, like something that's going to be addressed hopefully in the near future is how little teachers are getting paid, because it's going to like amp up the quality of teaching. Because if you're just like if you're a teacher that's been getting by on like the past, like the same thing you've been doing for the past decade of your life, like I don't think you're going to be able to do that because people will just be able to cheat. ChatGPT is like, it's now a calculator because the models are going to, I mean, you don't even need model. Every kid has a phone. They can all just pull ChatGPT up and soon they'll be able to point their camera at their test and it will just take it for them. So it's like cheating is just going to be absolutely rampant because it's just going to be so easy. And I don't know why you wouldn't cheat, especially if you're just like not feeling it with like a subject. So I think education is also, I mean, education just has to change for the sheer fact that like knowledge work is really kind of so much more important now. And so I think more people are going to like if I guess, how should I phrase this? If the US wants to stay on top of being a country that is like in like the lead of thought leaders or something, I don't know, some bullshit, like they're going to need to change the way that they teach stuff because the rate of change in the education system is not coming fast enough. And so that's a bottleneck for improving like pushing forward the boundaries of thinking, and it's giving other countries an advantage of like being able to build that more. And I guess what I'm talking to here is like, maybe there is some good software that's written in China, but by and large, like it's just not good software. I think it's just like Baidu is not good. It doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't have great design in my opinion. And maybe it's just the English thing, but I think it's like, I just don't think they're good. And I think it's because, I don't know, it's like the result of like Chinese culture, perhaps, like people not like thinking creatively and exercising that. I don't know, who knows? I just don't like the education system. It's like, it's so frustrating, but we'll see what happens. It could be like math class where in early classes you can't use a calculator, but later on you have to. But people are still going to use it. Like we're going to have like 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 a neural link or something at some point where we just look at something and it shows up on our like HUD and we just like see. And before that, it's like people just have their phones. Like you just pull it out and you do it. I don't know. Like, who knows? I'm just it's pure speculating. Maybe I'm wildly wrong. Who knows? I don't know where to put this shit. When I'm coding, I'm trying to code, I'm trying to add the chat back. But I realized that I want the chat to be like its own separate process so it's not getting in the way of the other thing that I want to develop. So I'm making another version of the server that only has the chat service. So I'm like pulling it out. So we only need, I do want the user service because I do want people to be logged in. I just don't need the content service. Not yet, anyway. What's this chat? It's the it's gonna be the chat for the stream. Actually, what am I doing? I don't need to do this. I don't need to do this. This is stupid. I just need to make one that uses a different database. So I make a separate config. Don't make it secure. No, I need to make it secure. Different database, different, I do have some hard-coded paths. Maybe I'll just remove the content service for now. That should be fine. So just use, yeah, we'll just do that. And disable reflection? No, I don't care. Okay, so now I think I have it so that I can just pass environment variables. Where does data come from? Bucket, yeah. I also need a bucket. And this needs a default. We don't need that. Or maybe we do. Where is it used? Yeah, why not? Okay, so I can do, oh, not yet. Okay, so I'm gonna say we'll say path is equal to chat or data chat. Whatever, I don't care. No, I don't want that there. Temp chat. Nope. Documents. Alright. Path is equal to this. Documents, coding, chat. And then, so that's path, and now I need to set DSN. This becomes file this guy. That should depend on the bucket. New default config. should depend on the bucket config. How the fuck do you do that? I'm gonna need like a dependency framework thing for that. Or wait, no. My database would just depend on that, on a bucket. Database depends on a bucket. Gorm new int config, and then I think we do a bucket config, and then we'll need a parse. Sudo breadcris. This should depend on a bucket config and the DSN changes. Yeah, whatever. We don't need to do that now. We'll just do file coding chat slash Luna brain dot db key. I don't know what f key one is, and then we say go run main.go. And this should bring up the chat. It will have created a new database and a new thing. Is there anything else that this thing... Oh, and I kind of wanted to disable registration. Bucket path. Oh wait, I don't want to call that path. That would be a problem. Bucket path. Is there any other overlap here? Got some problems. Oh, and then oh, and I need to change the port that it listens on. port. So we got server. We got config. How's it? What port does it listen to? Listen and serve the address. Config.port. What? Content config? Content config. Serve port. That is hard coded. So this should be server. I should really just define a configuration file here. But then it's kind of annoying. Okay, so it's that's that, and then I use cd into that. And then, let's see, I make a config. No, I'm not gonna cd into that. I'll just vim code chat.lunabrain.yaml. Okay, so then we're gonna have a configure our bucket, which has a path that is, I think, just here. Can I just say data? I think that's the... I don't fucking know. Why is this so complicated? Okay, we got the bucket path, got the DSN, but it's gonna load all of the config values, and I don't want that. Let's just see what happens here. We're gonna get a port. It's gonna complain about a port. Oh, because it's code. Yep. Okay, so now we got the bind problem. That's because we're hard coding this, so we need to now change this content new default config. That goes away. Now we need to actually make that exist. So yeah, config func new default config port and proxy. Port defaults to 8000, but then we're gonna go here and then say port is equal to 9000. Is that free? Why does it still want 8000? Is there any other 8000s that we should know about? I got port. Oh, because it comes from the config. Okay, can we change the config so that we can say don't load from this? we'll say if os dot environ get env, if that's not set, file okay. Now we're gonna make a file called okay. So now we're gonna make a new file here called chat.yaml, and that can have our config options now. That was the solution that I was looking for. So we got bucket path is this value. DSN is this. What do we got? How do we specify DSN? Builder bucket. No, not bucket. DB. We're looking at DB ent. And then that config. What is that? DB and then DSN. And that's that guy. And then port, I don't know. I think we say API. Oh, and then we want, yeah, we do want debug. DB debug is true. Log level debug. Service. We got port is 9000. And then we're going to proxy to our local host. And oh, we want some user stuff. We'll toss in some user stuff. So for user registration allowed, false. No one can register yet. Email. Oh, and then we need to add those things. Okay. So now I can just write go run. Oh, and then I need to say config is chat.yaml and then go run main.go. So now that should come up. Nope. Should not start with any token. Which line? Line 2. So is it the tab? Oh, we need an open API key. God damn it. Gotta make one up. API key is nothing. Doesn't like that. Does it need to be real? Okay, whatever. We'll put a real one in. Oh. OpenAI. That should work. There we go. There we go. Now let's see if we can load it. And then if we go straight to chat. There we go. Okay, so now we host it. Ngrok. But we're not 8,000, we're 9,000. Now we're up. So if we go there, we got our thing. This can be chat. There we go. Finally. But I do need... Let's see if it works. Oh, wow. I thought Path was a risky name. Oh, man. Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't responding to anyone. I was so deep. "60% of mental energy is wasted on music." All right, chat's live. We're live. Chat is live. All right, now the next goal. Let's go. That's so sick. Okay. So, the next goal here is to add user authentication, but like our user verification. It's not working? What's the problem? What are you getting? CORS error. Oh. Aha. So I need to have... I need a separate process. It's working?
Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.
Oh, yeah. I think I know why it's not working. I have a hunch. Have a hunch. I think it's this guy. Could just make another. Yeah, okay. I was just on the... Oh, wait, no. Oh, because it's my local. It's just hitting my local thing. Yeah. I see. I see. Yeah, right. Oh, I remember now. Base URL. Oh yeah, it was a separate thing. npm run dev. So that's that, and now I need to make another one for npm run stream, but that needs to npm run stream. Oh, but those are gonna overwrite each other. I want to be able to ship UI things faster. Okay, so this would be nice to figure out. So we got build. Oh, wait, this is fine. We'll just we just need the static assets. No, it needs to generate. Let's see, I could make another one called stream. Let's give that a shot. Let's give that a shot. Serve stream. entry points site. It's all pretty much just the same site. It's just target. Yeah. And we'll say yes to serving. Port. Let's do just say port. And if port is undefined, we just won't serve it. Otherwise, if port is there, 9001, this will be 8001. And yeah, so port. If port is not equal to undefined, then we'll do that. So oh, now it's another target. Sick, 69. Okay, so I want... Man, did we just do this for now? We just say we're building for the stream. So if it's the stream, then that'll be a target. Let's do a target to URL. Base URL lookup. Extension. No, we don't want that actually. This is an anti-pattern. This is so fucked. Targets. Why don't I just require that's always there? And then if base URL, we'll throw an error, and then we'll move these into the build script. So we'll say this on build, say build true, and we'll also say our base URL is that. So we got that, and then if we're in local dev, we'll do this one. Base URL is equal to that one. Okay. So remove all that stuff. That looks good to me. And then we'll say if targets, if there's no targets, then we'll throw a problem. Targets is stream, and then we run that. I'm happy with that. I'm more happy with that. So now, so we're making another thing called stream, and we're gonna serve that on port 9001. I don't think I got 1,000 people. How? Oh shit, wow, that's a lot of people. Oh wait, is this... Wait, is that... Some dude said that he was gonna add like a bunch of people programmatically. I think it's only like 6... There's only like 6 actual viewers. What I'm working on right now is kind of crazy, but if you brought your Twitch account up enough, you can start sending in Russian Prime subs and make $2 per sub. Right. Why do I care about that? I don't care. Fear? It's strange. What a strange thing. No, it's all just fake views. I don't know. That's pretty funny. Is that true? There's some guy that just said he was going to programmatically add people to my stream. That's pretty funny. That's Russian. Viewer count. Do you put milk first before cereal? No, I'm not a criminal. Cereal. It's cereal and then milk. Not very helpful. Fishy. Okay. Okay, so we got things going to stream. I think npm run dev stream. Okay. That did nothing. Target stream. Targets. Oh, I see. Invalid defined value must be valid JSON syntax. Oh. Right. There we go. What a legend. Output directory must be contained in the serve directory. Serve jar is just the options.outdir. Outdir. There you go. All right, now it's on 9001. So that means I can change the proxy here. Yeah, we love the fishy. Service proxy is localhost 9000, which will save there. We run that. Okay, now what happens if we try to go breadcrust? Uh-oh. No styling. We got more random things. Hard-coded. Where is it? I'm trying to... Oh, breadfish. I love it. What if fish bread? We love fish bread. All right. Oh. I think I know the problem. Okay. Well, HTTPS breadcrust ngrok. What's the problem with that? Okay. response is that. So we're not able to load tailwind.css because that resolves to that. Okay. Oh, wait, that's getting returned. That's getting returned. That doesn't. Oh. I know. I know. Because it only gets. Wait, out file. If build site. Or. Or build stream. We'll do that. So now we run that again. We should now. Why does that take so long? Why did that take so long? Is my computer like physically slow? Doesn't seem like it. Yeah, I'm waiting for that too. I think, does this work? Doesn't look like it. We're just not seeing it on. What is going on? Oh, I see. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we got, isolation of permissions. So this chat is completely separate. Is it working? Let's go. All right, so now the question is, if I make a change in the UI, do we get a live reload? All right. Oh, let's be sick. All right, come on. Come on, let's work. All right, so the site, we're looking at the chat, and now we're gonna put a big old, you're hacked. Everyone's gonna get hacked. Yeah, let's go. We got live reload. That's pretty sick. Then I remove it. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. All right, so now I want to add email verification. Oh, I want to put login, so you have to log in. Yeah, chat is going to get chat is going to get changed. So so right now there's no persistent chat. So we can look at the chat code here. So literally all that I'm doing is chat service. So literally all that I'm doing here, it's all just kept in the server's memory, and it just routes things. So send message, takes a message, it broadcasts it, and all that broadcasting is doing is sending it to everyone who's a subscriber, who's like anyone that loads the page. So next objective here. What DB are you using to store them? So I wrote it in such a way that I can change what database that I store this stuff to, like, very easily. So right now I'm gonna store everything in SQLite. That should be easy enough to do. Do you play Maro? So, I don't want to store the chats right now. I don't feel like it. So I'm not. I don't care. So what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Oh yeah, the login, right. That would be helpful to have. Okay. Login. I have like the email thing set up. So user. Didn't I pretty much implement this? So you go through like registration. You should make it where if you hit enter, it acts as if you click send. Yeah, we can do that. That's easy. That's easy. Chat, that, and then I'm literally gonna have, we're gonna ask AI, make it so send runs on enter. I'm not even coding. Nine viewers and 6 likes, guys. Yeah, I'm on a treadmill. On key press. Okay. On key press. Ooh, we don't like that. Oh. On key press is deprecated. You fool. What should I be using instead? Does the DJ man code? I don't know. This is literally just some guy from YouTube. On key down. On key down. Okay. Send message. Okay. Did that do it? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I want to, oh, I want, like, pinned messages. What about, like, pinned messages? We can do pinned. We'll do pinned. That's easy. Pin. All right, so to do that, I'm going to go to my protobuf, chat, and then in message... Oh, you need authentication. We'll say, we need authentication. We need authentication because I know you guys are going to fuck with it. Because right now we have no authentication on chat. It's like, no authentication. It's like just chat that gets sent in. So I need a root of trust. You need to build a root of trust before you get, before you start adding features. Because we need authentication, or we need authorization. In order to get that, we need authentication. So to achieve that, we need to build an auth flow. So I've already written authentication, which is user, and we already did that there. I think I literally already sent it, so or already wrote the code. So I'm going to do incognito, boom. So I'm going to register with some email. I think I'm going to do Google. We're going to do Google login, actually. I don't want to deal with people spamming. No, I'm not coding Mario. Okay, so I need... Right me. Yeah, Google Auth. There was a good library that I found in Go. Go, GitHub. What was it? OAuth. Social sign in. Was it this guy? Socialite? Not maintained. Goth. Goth was it. Yeah, we already started. Yeah, and then we get Google. So, okay, so I'm going to start here. Write me a Go function that uses Goth to sign in with Google. So while that goes, I know that I'm going to need... I'm going to need a UI thing for here. So auth on register we need to add a Google sign-in. So maybe over here we'll say, add me a Tailwind CSS TypeScript React, because that's what we're using, component that does Google sign-in. I don't think that GitHub Copilot really has great results. Like, I think running it in ChatGPT 4 is better. All right, so we're gonna need to add a callback to our router. So let's just go over to our server, Google login. No, I don't want someone's fucking code. I want my own. It should just be styling. Login. I want some C code. You will need Gmail to authenticate. Yes. Yes, we will need Gmail to authenticate. Ooh, that bass? Ooh. That's sick. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm just trying to stop spam. Gonna need some more music soon. I'm just gonna switch over. Sick. Oh yeah, did you know that YouTube automatically blocks out your password if you type it in? So if I say like my password is, and then my password. Yeah. If that's your real password, I would recommend changing it because you've totally just... Here, I'll be nice. I'll delete the ones that look like actual passwords. Okay. Okay, so it probably wrote us this thing. And I'll just say write me a React TypeScript Tailwind CSS Daisy UI Google login component. Write the code. Okay, so now we need to add this stuff, and we're just gonna shove it in to this thing that keeps piling up with bad code, but that's okay. So import goth. Oh, we need to install it. Okay, go get, and then can bring him back up our local dev. Okay, so now I need to update the config to add these guys. So that is Google Client ID, Google Client ID, Google Client D, Client Secret. Yeah. So now that those are available to our config, we're going to say a.config.client secret. Config.client ID. And then this callback we want derived from our address. And I think I probably want to add another option here that's like external URL. Red, you have the real Evan. Wow. Okay. I think I also want to kill blah blah blah. That's fine. We'll see if that gives us an error if we don't have it. Scopes, email profile. I just need, yeah, we'll do Scopes email profile. And then this needs to be s printf format will be like the %s a.config.external URL. So we need to like send in, you can figure out what people will see externally. And we'll put it to do, drive this from config. Evan's Unity tutorial. You seem very talented, Bert Chris. I code myself often in Unity. Sick. No, but might as well be. Oh shit, really? What do you code? Evan's Unity tutorial? I don't know what the hell this channel is. Looks crazy. Let's see. Use providers. Why does that not have, what does that even mean? Goth that get provider. That looks a little strange. That looks a little strange. The fuck is this? What is this function doing? I'm working on a project where I need to compile C in the browser to control a realistic simulation on radio car. Why do you need to compile C in the browser? It's odd. Okay, this is weird code. But we'll go with it, I guess. Set state. The fuck is set state? What? Oh, handle Google callback. I see. Wait, oh, begin auth. Start Google. Okay. I'm just gonna maybe copy this code into there, and then maybe the autocomplete will kind of like figure it out. I just want the AI to write me code. Okay. API root.handle. Auth Google. Start Google Auth. API root.handle. Callback. Google callback. So, what do we expect here? Handler. A handler. Response, writer, and requests. Okay. That's that. That's that. We can get rid of this. And then... Is that not happy? Handler doesn't return anything. Handle funk. Handle funk. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Oh, I see why you do that. Because you're... I want to donate. How do I give you money? How do I don't know. That's what I'm trying to... I'm building... That's why I'm building the chat. Like, I want the chat to, like, have, like, Stripe integration. So that you can send money directly to me, like, outside of YouTube. Because fuck YouTube. Fuck their chat. So until then... the chatting here is free. So this is my dream. Let's write about my dream for a little bit. Let's write about my dream. What's the dream here? Okay. I'm gonna hide you, knee pain guy. Oh, I can't. Knee pain. All right. So we got Luna Brain. God, can you not? We're gonna get rid of knee pain guy. Okay. We got Luna Brain chat. Or do I have anything else tagged with chat? No. Okay. Well, Luna Brain chat. Dreams. What are our dreams with Luna Brain chat? Move it over. Oh, PayPal? Oh, we could do PayPal. PayPal. Separate. Just make sure I'm not leaking any info. PayPal, login. Okay, so How do I... There's a way to just like share this. Oh, wait. Yeah, we can make a button. No, just do a link. Fuck the button. Oh, yeah, this is my name. I don't know if this will work. But we'll put that in the chat. Chat. We'll make a pretty button. I don't know, just Alright, what do we want to make this look like? I want a button and it to be stupid. Okay. I don't care if you know that I live in Seattle. Oh, we got our problem. Didn't like the update. Oh, because the server's down. The server's down. Oh no. Oh my god. There we go. Oh wait, oh that's separate. That's because I need to restart that one. Oh wait a second. Server shouldn't have gone down. Oh sick, we got a donate button. Okay, sick. Let's see if that actually works. Why is that so slow? Yeah, there you go. Lit. Does this actually work? Maybe it does. I don't know. Do I take stream music requests? No. Unless they're really good. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna handle music requests. I've done this before. They need to be. You stake your reputation behind your music request. Music is the vibe. Music is the vibe that this channel has, and so it's sacred. If you have a contribution to the, it's like an aux cord. It's like your aux privileges. If you're not playing music, that's the vibe. You're not gonna get played. So. You can suggest music, but you stake your reputation. So it's your choice. Oh, I should link to the code too. That. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Chris and Grok. Sick. Have you seen Park UI components? Doesn't matter. They're not Tailwind. Tailwind is the only thing that's right. Okay, let's rip this to shreds. Let's see. I gotta move over here. Let's look at why this is wrong. Okay, so we're looking at getting started. What do we need to get started? Tailwind. Okay. Whoa. Why? What the hell is that? What the fuck's Panda? Panda? The fuck's Panda? Is it like a Sia? Is this just like Tailwind? God, why are there so much shit? Concept, cascade, layers, writing styles, merging styles. Patterns. Okay, cascade layers. Okay, that's that. Panda versus Tailwind. That's pandas. Pandas is the Python thing. Obaru. We're gonna check out Obaru. Whoops. Obaru. Is this just your music? Oh, that's chill. That's pretty good coding music. Kind of reminds me of this music. Oh man. We're gonna listen. All right. Okay. So this is We're okay. We're done with this for now. We're listening to this. Everyone must listen to this. This fucking slaps. This fucking slaps. This fucking slaps. All right, and we're gonna also save it so we don't forget this in our notes. I'm gonna put this in our notes, and we're gonna say music playlists. And this is, was it Life Formed? Whatever. We'll just save it in there. We still need to get to our dreams. Okay, yeah, what's the fuck's... Goodbye, Tailwind CSS, and welcome to Panda CSS. Bye-bye. Here's a 20-minute video that we're going to watch. You want to watch it in 4K? We can watch that in 4K. Playback speed, 2x. All right, please tell me, Coder1. What am I doing wrong here? All right, Panda CodeGen. Great. Okay. Okay, yes. What's the same? What's the difference? Thank you. It just took you 9 minutes to make the comparison that you declared in your title. Okay, okay. We like this. We like this. We like this. Do we link it? We don't link it. All right. What is this? TW2 Panda. TW2 Panda. Ah, fuck you. Fuck this. I don't want that. I don't know why they don't just link it in there. Garbage. Let's have a look. What do we got here? Okay, so it's... Ah, no. This is wrong. Wrong. Bad. Bad. No. Look at that. Look what it adds. It's like this... Another CSS class. It's just... It's too much. Tailwind CSS is... It's kind of like a programming language for styling. You learn these things. You learn these short things. The shorthand for stuff. And it's like a whole design system. You got to read the document. They wrote like a paper. Tailwind CSS... They got like the paper. The hell's their paper? Or the book? I don't know. Their book's somewhere. I'll find it. I'll find it and share it at some point in the future because it's so important. So already, if this is suggesting Panda, which is bullshit, not good, don't use it. Tailwind is right. We like Tailwind. So if we're using this with this, it's going to give me a Parkwind plugin. Okay, that's cool. Nice. Great. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I mean, okay. Oh, no. Okay, so this is wrong. This is wrong. We don't like this. We don't like when we have our Actually, I don't know. Alert. What do we got here? Alert. No, wrong. So over time, this library is going to come. It's going to go. You're going to want to move on to something else. It is wrong to use. You want to use these as little as possible. You want to make components as few as possible. And we compare that with Daisy UI, which gives you it's just straight up HTML, and then you apply like a button, versus if we directly compare the button, I'm sure it's going to be an actual button. So you got to import this, and you apply these things, versus just straight up having class button. So this is going to last forever. This is going to be supported by every single browser. It's just CSS. If you look at the repo here, this is the thing that really sold me on why Daisy UI is right. This is so important. So Daisy UI, GitHub, Daisy UI. And I was looking. I was like, I'm looking at this project. I've been through so many goddamn components thing. And I'm like, okay, I had a vision. I had an idea of what should be right. It resembled Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a great library. But this thing, there is JavaScript here, but it doesn't really do anything. It's like, this is a very dumb like set of things. It's mainly just CSS. Components, styled, all of these things are just CSS. There's no JavaScript that comes with them. And they do something that's really, it's kind of dumb, but it's kind of clever because people don't do this. So there's things that it's like, okay, like drop down. How do you get like a drop down to look nice? So there are things that are native to HTML. And look, HTML and JSX, almost same exact thing. The only thing that changes is class name. So HTML has these things built in. It has drop-down stuff built in. People just don't use it because they've been so accustomed to doing this, like dialog, drawer, drop-down, I don't know, combo box. Yeah, see, this is all, they all implement in JavaScript. And look how complicated this is. Seriously, what the fuck? I want a combo box, and I'm copying the code here, and I'm going to copy all this shit? Like, what is this example? No, we don't want that. We want this. Look how simple that is. I know exactly how to use this. And it's not just going to work today. It's going to work so much far in the future. And that's what you should be doing. Just focus on simple. Like, it's hard to find it because there's just so much noise and people are compounding bad ideas on bad ideas. But Daisy UI, Tailwind CSS. Do I use HYP? The fuck? I was first skeptical of Tailwind, but then I started using it. I fell in love with it. Yeah, Tailwind's right. Tailwind just an amped up Bootstrap. Kind of. It's like Bootstrap, but without any of the, with like way less styling things, way less opinions in some regards, but like opinions where they matter. There's just, I'll have to run through the thing at some point in the future. What about you? I don't know what HYP is. All right, what was I in the process of doing? Okay, I want to get the Google. Oh yeah, edit the code thing. So, which one's that? Okay. Okay, when I go to register, I want to see login with Google. Oh yeah, we were trying to get this working. Okay. Amazing. Yeah, I've never heard of that in my life. A PU, what is this? Ooh. That's cool. I like that. I like small little languages. We'll give it a star. We'll give it a star. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. That's fun. That's cool. Is the chat still working? Oh no, it doesn't because the thing isn't. Oh no, it should be. It should be going. No Oberu. Too chill. But not a bad recommendation. Breaded Chris. Okay. Working. We'll link some stuff in here. So we got. Oops, that's not my name. Okay. I'll also link that. We'll link that. Leave a like if you roll Chris and Chrissy breadcrumbs. Make breaded Chris. Sick. I'm just gonna give this to ChatGPT and tell it to fix it. Fix this code. Even I watched some of you vid and holy smokes, I think literally understand coughing. Okay, did it fix the code? If you can't click the links, copy and paste the URL. Yeah, dingus. Okay, so let's see if it fixed it for us. Begin auth. It's a function you have defined to generate a state string. State. URL. I like the bread Chris. Breadfish. Can we get some breadfish in chat? Oh wait, we can put him here too. Yes. Breadfish. Oh, that's good. Oh, we're gonna need to insert some limits. Okay. That's a thing. We're gonna say, fix this code, give it some code. Okay. Commercial session. Alright, we're gonna do slong debug. Let's see if we... Let's see if that works. Alright, so we need to add Google Client ID. I need to create that. Okay. Let's see if this works. Making a chat. The song, it's from this. It's so good. Okay. Running. Refresh. Progress. That's some progress. Access blocked. You cannons. Oh. 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 Sick. All right, so we're close to Guloth, but I'm fucking exhausted. So we're calling it there. What? Do I read chat? I do read chat. You already subscribed. You got that yummy, yummy, yummy. Nice, Justin. No problem. Wait, is that actually Justin Bieber? Why is he in the stream? LOL. Yes, it's real. I am. I believe it is. I don't know who you are or what this is, but you've been recommended to me by the algorithm. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a wonderful day, AK. Thank you for your positive words. Have a good night, everyone.